Good morning, students. In exercise 2.4, I will discuss here in lecture number 10, question number 4. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. How can you factorize it? You see very attentively. Coefficient of x square 12. Constant term is plus 1. Multiply together, that is 12. So you find two number whose multiply is this 12 and addition is coefficient of x minus 7. You see very attentively. Clear? And then you check 1 into 12, 12. Factor of 12. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12. But you see which number whose product is 12, addition is minus 7. And 1 and 12, it is not possible because product is 12 everywhere, but addition is minus 7. It is not possible here. And here also it is not possible because addition is 8. There may be minus 4. If you put here minus sign, minus 4. And if you put minus sign, 4 plus 4. And here, if you take minus 3 and minus 4, product is minus into minus plus 12, 3 4 are 12, and addition will be minus 3 or minus 4 minus 7. It is clear? So 12x square same, 1 same. This minus 7 you can write minus 3x minus 4x. Add together you will find this. And what is common here? In 12 and 3, 3 is common, x square and x is common. What is left? 12 divided by 3, 4. And 3x divided by 3x minus 1. And here minus 1 is common. Nothing is common, but 1 is common. Minus 1 is common, then minus change into plus, 4x plus change into minus, sign will be changed. And here 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 common. And what is left? Then bracket start, 3x minus 1 is left. So 4x minus 3x is the factor of this. Similarly, 6x square plus 5x minus 6, 6 into minus 6, minus 36. So you make the factor of minus 36 such a way that product is multiply is minus 36, addition is coefficient of x plus 5. So you see 1 into 36, 36, 2 into 18, 36, 3 into 12, 36, 4 into 9, 36. You see, multiply is 36, but addition, how can you make addition is plus 5? It is not possible here, it is not possible here, it is not possible, but here, if you put minus 4, then minus 4 into 9, minus 36, and addition of minus 4 and plus 9, that will be equal to 5. That will be equal to 5. It is correct. So, similarly, it is same, and minus 4 plus 9x minus 4, or you can say you can write minus 4x plus 9x. No problem. And you make the pair, and then what is common in 6 and 9? That is 3. In x square and x is common, so 3x is common. So 6 divided by 3, 2. X square, x is common, x is left, plus then 9 divided by 3, 3, x is common, then minus is common, 2 is common here, so sign will be changed, and these two terms divided by 2. So 2x minus plus 3, so 2x plus 3 is common, and bracket start, 3x minus 2 is left. So similarly, this question you also do. This is extra question. This 2 into minus 15 minus 30. Then multiply is minus 30. Addition will be coefficient of minus 7 beta. Then factor of 30 is this, and this is correct. So addition is minus 7. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is possible when you put this 10 into minus sign, because product is minus 30 plus minus 30, or addition minus 30, addition is minus 7, minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. It is correct. So this is same, this is same. This minus 7 is you can write plus ka 3x minus का 10x, add together we will find minus 7x. Common beta, x is common, 2x plus 3, minus 5 is common, sign will be changed and divided by this 5, 2 ja 10, 2x, minus into plus, 15 divided by 5, 3, then 2x plus 3, common, x minus 5 is left. It's clear? Now, divide this by this. How can you do? First of all, this highest power of dividend, divide by highest power of divisor. It is x square into x cube, x square into minus 3 x square, sign will be changed. Then cancel out 2x square plus 3x square, 5x square minus 9x plus 3, 5x square divided by x. What is left? 5x. 5x you will put here and 5x multiplied by x minus 3. 5x into x, 5x square plus minus 5 3 are 15x. Then sign will be changed, minus cancel out and plus minus 9x plus 15x. 6x is left positive because sign will be changed and plus 3 is here. So 6x divided by x. What is 6? 6 multiplied by this one, x minus 3. You will get 6 into x. 6x. 6 into minus 3 minus 18 and sign will be changed. Cancel out. Plus 3 and plus 18 equal to 21. So in homework you divide and then split the middle term of these two questions. You complete these homework. Thank you.